It is officially fall, and if you're like me, you probably got some canned pumpkin around waiting to be used. Today, I am making pumpkin pie roll-ups. This recipe is quick, easy, and it will have your family coming back for more. For this recipe, we will need canned pumpkin, sugar, salt, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, 2 cans of CRESCENT dinner rolls, also your toppings. Today, I'm using whipped cream, some maple syrup for a nice drizzle, and some chopped pecans. To get started, you're going to preheat your oven to 375 and spray 2 baking pans with some non-stick cooking spray. Next, in a medium bowl, you're going to stir your pumpkin, sugar, pumpkin pie spice, and your salt together. And then in another smaller bowl, you're going to mix your cinnamon and the remaining sugar. Set those aside and let's move on to our dinner rolls. Here's a quick tip. For easier handling, leave the crescent rolls in the refrigerator until ready to use. Now we're going to unroll the rolls onto our baking pan into 16 triangles. Then you're going to spread about a tablespoon each of the mixture. Starting with the wide end of the triangle, you're going to roll them up into a crescent shape. Then sprinkle with your cinnamon and sugar mixture. Now we're going to bake these for 12 minutes or until golden brown. Be careful not to burn the bottoms. All right, it's time to load on our toppings and you can serve these immediately. You may end up with some pumpkin mixture left over, and that's quite all right. You can store this in the refrigerator for a later time, add it to some pancake or waffle mix, or even some cream cheese and spread on a nice bagel. Enjoy this seasonal treat, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Food.